This is Scott Baker with River to River Log Homes. We're up here today in Grangeville, Idaho. Chilly day today. So this home is going to be one of our biggest challenges we've had, but this home will look spectacular when we get done. As you can see, we're working on these log corners. We have rotten log corners here on most of the corners here. So we're replacing the corners. This home too, also, there's logs to replace also within the walls here. We have some pretty bad issues here. So we'll replace those too also. And as you can see, they actually painted this home. You're not supposed to paint log homes because it locks in the moisture and creates problems within the logs. So we're gonna strip this entire home down too also. This home needs a lot of work. By the time we get done, this home's gonna shine and look incredible. So stay tuned, we'll keep working on this. We're working on the log corners here today and this week. All these corners need work, so we're looking forward to getting this home back in great shape. Thanks for watching, and also remember, be one with nature in the log home of your dreams.